What is up, everybody? And if y'all are watching this, that means Mr. Duggan probably let y'all watch me make an ICE fidget spinners. All you really need is, when you get the fidget spinner, it comes in this little package, right? With this, right? There's many different ways to make an ICE fidget spinner, but I'm going to be the different person. They all use this type of thing that you mix around to make the mold part, and then they put water in it. Well, I'm special. I'm going to do it the special way. Okay. All you need is this packaging it comes in, and a fidget. Now, what you need is this part right here, so you gotta pop that out. Oh my Duggan! I use my TV remote. This is a strong fidget. Yes! Just like this. I want the whole thing out, so then it looks like this. Finger fidget, the new creation. Now, all you gotta do is take it, put it in the middle, and put it in the middle where it's supposed to go. You know, see it? Right? Oh, da, da, da. And then you put the water in here, here, and here. Put it in your freezer, and watch the magic go. So in video 2, I will show you what it looks like after it's done freezing. So see y'all in the next video.